we're literally here, point 3 here. This is how to invest in Nigerian property from Nigeria if you have money. These are the big boys like us, okay, or the big boys like you. All right, if you have money to invest, how do you do that? What are the things you do? So I'm going to just be giving you, like I said, I'll be giving you exactly what it is you need so that you don't have to start breaking your head on how to go about this and leave out the things you don't need. There's some information you don't need really. I'm going to leave some of those things out and give you exactly what you need to get started. The first thing you need to do, the step 1 to do if you have money, is you go on a website. This website called Biyut. You come on this website, the one we're looking at since. All right, you come on this website and you look for a property that you think you might like or you want. Okay, so when you get the property that you want, all right, so you can see market trends, whatnot, partners, life, you don't need all of that. You scroll down here, you see properties here. All right, just keep scrolling, or you click on view property. All right, this is, so look at different properties here. This 8.8 million, this 4 point something million. This is actually very cool, really very cool. I like it. All right, so you come on here and you get the property of your choice. So you buy a property. Remember, if you have money, you buy or you lease. If you have money, if you don't have money, just wait. We'll get to the point to people that don't have money, to go this route. But if you have money, guys, I can direct your hand. I can assist you. I can help you in getting a good property that you can buy and make quick turnover from the property you've bought. All right. So now that we have that out of the way, the next thing you need to do now is look for how do you send money. Now, ideally, people will tell you it's just easy. You could open an account called Wise. All right, so this is Wise. All right, open an account called Wise. You register with them, but unfortunately, Wise do not operate in Nigeria, even if they have a Naira thing here. All right, okay. So as of when we're recording this video, maybe by tomorrow, or by when I'm done recording this video, they might start working in Nigeria. Meaning you can send money from Nigeria down there. But for now, you can't send. You can only send from Dubai down to Nigeria. We can't send from Nigeria to Dubai. That's Wise. But apart from Wise, we also have other ones that you could use that also function, which is Payoneer. Some of these platforms or owners or landlords also accept Bitcoin. Now the thing is, crypto is big in Dubai also. Crypto is also a big business in Dubai. If you get the book that I wrote about making money in Dubai, you will see that crypto is one of the ways you can broker. You don't even need to trade. You can be a broker and make some really good cash with cryptocurrency, with Bitcoin, with any of those cryptocurrency out there. I'm not so much of an expert in crypto, so I don't go that route, but I know it's a big business in Dubai and you can make a lot of money from it. But that being said, you can you can receive money or send money with Bitcoin, or there's several other ways you can receive money. You can receive money with PayPal if you have. You can also do wire transfer by using Payoneer. So with Payoneer, let's go Payoneer, you receive money with Payoneer, but then I've actually not tried sending money with Payoneer before, so I don't know if they have that feature where you could just simply send money. All right, I know they have the feature of simply receiving payments. All right, but make payments from here, from Nigeria down there, I've not tried it before. But say send and receive cross-border payments. So I have not tried it. It works, but I've not tried it before. So you can go ahead and give it a try. All right, or you could simply get an agent that you pay in dollar and the person will convert it in AED, but that process is quite long. Okay, the best thing to do is have your banks. So if, for example, we want to end up buying any of these properties, the best thing you need to do is have your bank, all right, advise you on the best route to take. I have my own advice, but I'm not a financial expert, so I'm not going to give that advice here. All I'm going to say is that do not use all of these platforms, all of these online platforms to send big bulk money like this to somebody who wants to sell or lease a property in Dubai, because the charge on it to be very high. But you can use your bank. Your bank will also charge you, but then it's a bit more secure. Tell your bank your intention. Your bank will then tell you what to do and what not. But then when it comes to getting the right people, like I said, I'm your guy. I can help you get the right guys, the right companies that you will buy from, and you know that you're at peace. Nobody's gonna scam you, because no matter how fantastic Dubai is, like everywhere else, there are scammers there, there are scammers everywhere. So you have to be careful. Don't think because it's in Dubai, so that means everything is just rosy, rosy. Some people are out there to rip people off, but there's a way we have used my experience I've had over the year has helped me to put some things in place to make sure that I mitigate any chance of being defrauded or scammed. But it can happen to anybody. So just be careful. Make sure you make your proper checks. We have people on ground that can go check these properties for you, check the documents and make sure documents are okay. That's if you are buying. That's if you have money. If you don't have money, just watch this and pray that one day you have money, so that you can think along this line. I'm just talking to those of you who have the money for it. You have a lot, you have money down and you don't want to spend it. You don't want the money to be kept in your account. You can go get a property in Dubai, guy. Get a property in Dubai, rent it out and start making some good money than keeping your money in the bank in Naira, and the money does not appreciate in a real sense, because the money in the bank in Naira depreciates, because $1 goes up, that money goes down and it becomes smaller by the day. And investing in Nigeria also makes sense. It's good. The property in Nigeria increases over time, but then properties in Dubai, the value is way more than that of Nigeria, because of how big the city is and how bustling and how financially buoyant the city is. But when you're doing all of this, you also need a lawyer. Very important, guys. When you have a lawyer, the lawyer helps put things in place. Okay, the lawyer makes sure that, okay, this and this are done. Sometimes their rates can be very high. Let's go on my system. So if we go on type list of good lawyers in Dubai, you see quite a number of them. They come here, quite a number of them. One of the things you need to do is make sure, one, they have a website, because these guys are living in a luxurious environment. Owning a website is a no-brainer. So if they cannot own a website, it means they are just starting out. They are not worth your time. If you scroll, I can assure you almost all of them have websites, because these guys are making good money. How do I know? You see this ball sign here. This ball sign means they all have websites. If I go to the next page, I can assure you, you will see websites. All of them have websites, because they have money, guys, and they understand the value of this. So what I'm saying is that I hope you're thinking that if you want to do a business well in Dubai and you're trying to make some real good money, you need to have things like a website, because these are the things that would encourage both your investors, your partners, your clients, your customers to do business with you. The other things you will also need, but don't worry, we'll get there. Don't be in a hurry. Just still follow me on the right. So you go on here and you're open. You see, this is a law firm. Your rights are priority. Now, these are not the kind of lawyers you're looking for. This lawyer looks like someone, like a lawyer who are fighting for rights. I don't like that word. I say your rights are priority. It's good, it's a priority, but then you need lawyers who are good in property and property management and whatnot. So you need those type of lawyers, all right, to help you. Okay, so if we go, let's go back and see, open another one. Let's open this one, best lawyers, and okay, let's open this one. See what we'll get. Now, the good thing about Dubai websites is that most of their websites don't end with .com, it ends with .ae. So keep that in the back of your mind. And sometimes .ae, when you're buying the domain of .ae, the price may be higher, can be higher, all right, than .com. Although .com is the highest. Okay, but let's just go ahead. You see, welcome to this law firm. List a recommended law firm by Legal 500, awarded to be rising law firm, blah blah. Awarded to rising for all of these things. I don't need them. Our expertise. So you come here, you look for the expertise. What do you know that you're good at? Capital market, that's not your business. Insurance, also not your business. Banking, not your business. So what you're really looking for is looking for lawyers who are good with real estate. So you can also put that here and just type it here when typing in Google. right? List of real estate law firms in Dubai. You get all of that. All right. These guys are making some really good money, guys. See me, I'm pursuing Dubai money. I don't know about you, but me, it's Dubai money. All right. Because guys, a lot of things are happening there that many of us are not seeing. And thank God my eyes are open to it, and I'm opening your eyes to it also. Make sure you watch the whole playlist, guys. We are going to be There are 12 parts, but it's going to be 13 videos altogether. So please watch all of them so you get an idea and you don't miss anything. All right. So a lawyer is very important. Now, when you get a lawyer, you also need to pay for the Dubai land fee. All right. This Dubai land fee. Now, let me show you what that is. Again, come to my laptop. Let me show you what's the Dubai land fee. So you see for yourself, it doesn't look as if I'm the one telling you. You see, primary fee for transferring property ownership to Dubai, administered by Dubai Land Department, which is DMD, a 4% of property's purchase price. So what you're not only, you know how it is, how in Nigeria, agency fee, that is almost what this is. You're paying a fraction of it, 4%, not even 5, not 10, 4%. So if a property is valued at 1 billion naira, for example, you're going to pay 1% of that, and 1% of 1 billion at just 4%, I mean, of 1 billion should be about, let's say, maybe, I don't know, 1 point. So that would be like 1,400,000,000. I don't know, 1.4. I don't know what that might come into, but that's what you're going to pay. And once you pay that already, you're good to go. All you need to do is just collect the keys of the apartment and start renting. Finish. That's all you need, guys. Buy the property, get the lawyer to help you make sure everything is in place, make sure your payment system is in place, get a consultant. I also did not include that. And how is your consultant? I am a consultant, guys. Get me. I can consult on what property to buy, what lawyer, so all of these things that you put in place. I can do that for you. I will walk you through every single step on how you can make the best out of all of this, to make sure that whoever you're speaking with as a lawyer is the best. Whoever you are doing this is the best. People I can assure you, I can vouch for. Businesses I can vouch for. So you know you're not guessing, you know you're not throwing your money to the wind. I hope that is very clear. So this covers this part, which is part 3 on how to invest in Dubai properties. The next part we'll be looking at how to make money from Dubai properties without owning one. We'll talk about when you have money. Now we'll talk about when there's no money, there's no kudi, there's no ego, there's nothing. How do you then end up making money from Dubai? We'll see you in the next one.